Hello everyone, my name is Ajay Kirti Bhushan from KV Stick Lines. We shall discuss about algebraic expression from class 8th mathematics. So what is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression what is algebraic expressions? An expression made up by constant and variables. So what is we study in class 6 about constant and variable. Constant the value of constant cannot be changed. वेरिएबल्स में the value of variable can be changed. Example of algebraic expression. Two x is constant and x variable. Then in algebraic expressions we shall about discuss terms में a term is product of constant and variable and without variables. टू एक्स में 2x is a term. In 2x 2 is called coefficient. The constant part of a term is called coefficient. The coefficient of x equal to 2. Kind of algebraic expression. Number 1, monomial. It has only one term. one term called monomial. For example, two x, 3x, 3y, etc. Number 2, binomials. It has two terms only. Binomial has two terms only. For example, called binomials. For example, a plus b या 2x plus y etc. Number 3, trinomial. It has three terms only. Called trinomials. For example, x plus y plus z and a plus b plus c etc. For trinomial, it has three terms only called trinomials, and monomial, binomials and trinomials all are called polynomials. So what are polynomials? What are polynomials? In general, monomial, binomial and trinomials all are called polynomials. So monomials, trinomials and binomials are called polynomials. So we study about like terms and unlike terms. Like terms and unlike terms. First, we study about like terms. In like terms, the variables and the power of variables are same, but the constant are not same. It will be different. For example, 2x and 3x are like terms. And 2y square and 2 and 4y square are like terms. So in like terms, the variable and variables, power of variables are same, and x की power 1, x की power 1, but the constant part is different, 2 and 3. When we add two like terms, 2x plus 3x equal to constant part add equal to 5x, but in unlike terms, the power of variables and variable are not same when 3x and 3x square. Here the constant part of variable are same, the coefficient of x equal to 3, coefficient of x square equal to 3, but the power of x 1 or power of x 2. So 3x and 3x square are not like term, they are unlike term. When we add 3x square plus 3x, so the sum of two like terms equal to 5x, but unlike term 3x square plus 3x. We shall study about algebraic identities. A plus b का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर, a माइनस b का होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर, a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर इक्वल टू a प्लस b a minus b, and x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. The sum of two algebraic expressions, a whole square of the sum of two algebraic expression. For example, टू एक्स प्लस 3y का होल स्क्वायर, a plus b, here a equal to 2x, b equal to 3y, then a square plus 2 into 2x into 3y plus 3y square, 4x square plus 2 to the 4 3 12xy plus 9y square. We will use this identity here. The sum of two algebraic expression, 2x plus 3y का होल स्क्वायर, 2x minus 3y का स्क्वायर, this identity 2x square minus 2 into 2x into 3y plus 3y square. 4x square minus 12xy plus 9y square. So in this two are entities, here plus, here minus, plus a plus b का whole square, the a minus b का whole square. The difference between two algebraic expression, 4x square minus 3y square or 9y square, then we use this identity, 2x square minus 3y square equal to 2x plus 3y, 2x minus 3y. This last identity we use here, the product between two algebraic expressions, x plus 2, x plus 3, here a equal to 2, b equal to 3, then use x square plus 2 plus 3, x plus a into b, x square plus 5x plus 6. Thanks all.